It's not as big of a change as you think, actually.
You're
You're looking after people.
amazing.
And you're still looking after people. And you're always working with people like I love
Galing ng ate. Lang lampas-lampas. Good job. Tapos na kami sa swimming lesson ni ate. So dito muna kami magpapahinga. Mag-coloring muna siya. Galing niya mag-color, no?
Oh, with Pathways 2 years. And then I worked with autistic.
Jabi ate. Ayan, tapos na rin pala kaming kumain. And baka hintayin na lang namin si Tatang para sunduin na lang niya kami dito. Dahil umuulan sa labas. Umuulan pa ni ate. Enjoy si ate sa sa swimming lesson ni ate. Magaling.